So in today's video we got a very interesting one for you because we got a bit of a quiz. So you can see this gas hob on and all the rings are on. Now what we're going to do in this quiz, I'm going to do a little trick and see, well not even a trick, you're going to see something happen and I want you to guess what's going on. So Miles is with me as normal, doing our training. So what we're going to do, Miles, we're going to open the hot tap and I'm going to observe these flames, these burners. So the hot tap's running, just keep it running, it's fine. So hot tap's on, so now look at the flames. You can see they've gone really low. Really low. So now what we're going to do, we're going to turn the hot tap off. Now you could hear them burners going on that hob. Now listen, as the flames start coming back higher and you can hear them. So we run the boiler, as you just heard. Well, we've run the hot tap, that means the boiler fired up, it's a combi boiler, and the flames went down and now they've come back up. So that's the quiz. What do you think, what's going on? That's the end of today's video. So like I said, you can watch hundreds of my how-to and overview videos. So all you need to do is look in the description below to find out how you can access the boiler repair library today. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.